Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to edit message on Instagram. So let's swing. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Instagram topics. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Instagram app. Just like so. Having opened up your Instagram app, next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to your chat box right here. Click on your chat, then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to select the contact. Now, it's on getting here, then the next thing you want to do is to simply make a type. So for you to make a type, so for instance, you want to type in, how are you drawing? Now you have made a mistake, okay, and then you send, just like so. Now, once you send the message, you can still edit it and make the sentence correct. And for you to do that, simply click and hold down, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do here is to simply click on edit. Then after click on edit, then you can simply correct your message. How are you doing? Just like so, and click on send. Now the message will be fully edited. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to edit messages on Instagram. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.